Hey, Kyle here again, and today's video we're going to be going over why your wheels are falling off your Kirby vacuum cleaner. The main reason your wheels are falling off is because over time these splines on this spline shaft wear out, allowing these hubs too much excessive play and they'll just fall off. We have a trick you can try. It's putting super glue on the splines, and sometimes that'll give enough strength for them to stay intact. But if you try that or you don't want to try it, we offer brand new Kirby axles. To purchase one, we'll have a link in the description below. We'll also include a video on how to change out the Kirby axle. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. If you want to stay up to date with all our new videos, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell button. Here at Great Vacs, we service thousands of Kirby vacuum cleaners. So if you need any help or need any assistance, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com and we'll get you all squared away. And don't forget, we sell many parts and supplies for Kirby vacuums. If you need anything, go ahead and check out our website's link in the video description below. And as always, thanks for watching.